In this quick tutorial, we are going to show you that how to send messages on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. Okay, we are going to know that how to send messages on TikTok. First of all, you have to click on the TikTok app. Click on the inbox. If you want to send message to a person that is not in your chat book, you have to click on there and search a person like I have searched this person. Open up and send message here. If that person is inbox, then you have to select person and click here to send messages like this. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.